All right, y'all. We are here at the gas station. I'm here with my Uncle Chris. We're just getting some gas for the boat, but we are fishing. It's what? What's the temperature, Uncle Chris? 39 degrees. So it's 39 degrees. It's warmer than the past two times we've fished in the November time, but early winter time. But our plan is going to be throwing drop shots and more drop shots. Hopefully we'll get some fish. But we're heading to Plater Lake in Virginia, and hopefully we will catch some fish. All right, y'all. We're going to be using drop shots again today. We're just getting all rigged up before we go in the water. We're all throwing drop shots. We got some different types of soft plastics.
There's your white.
Got these gulps, all sorts of, good stuff going on here. We're going to hopefully catch some fish. Hopefully we'll catch a smallmouth, guys, today, guys. It's been a while, but hopefully we'll catch smallmouth. We'll definitely get some largemouth. And yeah, we'll get right to it. All right, y'all, the sun is still coming up, but before we get out in the water, I'm going to talk to y'all a little bit about our game plan. So we're all going to be throwing drop shots, and we're all going to be throwing different colors too. My uncle has kind of like a double drop shot rig on one of those rods. So we're going to be doing that, and just like everything, like when you're going to a new body of water, you got to like test new colors. So I got two colors I'm going to be using. I'm using just straight white, and then I got some, let's see here. I got some other colors. I'm using. And we're just going to see what the fish are kind of, hitting on what color they're hitting on. And then hopefully we'll switch up to that color and just start catching the crap out of them. So let's get right to it. All right, y'all. So when we first get on the water, I just parked the trailer. But when we first get on the water, I'm probably not going to have the chest cam on, because it's freezing out and I don't want my phone battery to die early in the day. But once it warms up, hopefully I'll get some more footage. But until then, I'll probably just get some quick little videos to show y'all what we catch. But we'll have some normal footage. It's real cold out. So anyway, I'm getting on the lake right now. All right, y'all, first fish of the day. Oh yeah, they are jumping. First fish of the day, I got him on one of my grandpa's baits out here in West Virginia. So they work in Florida and up north, but nice healthy bass, not very big, but fish is a fish. All right, y'all, we just drove to a new spot, working these drop shots, see if we can't get anything else, but look at that.
Hit that green.
Oh yeah, largemouth right there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I figured it'd be something up in here.
Oh yeah.
Hey, my hands so cold I can't.
My hands are freezing out here. I guess that's just, well, look at that. I guess that just happened. There he goes. Well, just got this nice one. Nicer one, I should say. That's a nice fish right there. Little chunky feller. All right, y'all, gonna let this guy go. There he goes. We're just kind of casting it along here and just kind of slowly working it. When I mean slowly working it, I mean like really slow. Just cast it, And we're just slowly kind of jigging it. Now the wind hasn't been in our favor too much. We're catching some fish. Hopefully we'll catch some more later. But just kind of jigging it just like that. Real easy. There's one. Oh yeah. Just like this, y'all. That's how you get it done right there. Ah, rip, snapped my weight. Them weights have them cinch things on it, that way in case you get, yeah, not massive, but hey, that's how it goes. Fish is a fish. Got a new weight on there. And we're just gonna keep casting, try and catch more fish. But
You're right where I'm at.
oh, my bad. I thought you were talking about them sticks. Yeah. There we are. Need it? Need the there's one. Oh, that's a largemouth. Look at that.
Not big, but
Hey, fish is a fish.
let me see where's it.
Yeah, I bet you there's probably a lot of bass along those leaves right there. I know. We're gonna try dragging a little bit, see if we can't get a bigger size fish. So far, what, you think that was like a 2.5 pounder that I caught earlier? Yeah, 2.5 pounder. Fat fish, but not the size we're looking for. Yes, I feel you with that. I want some. I know. We gotta get something bigger than these dinks. There's one. Need a net?
I don't know if I got hung in a damn wind or what.
Y'all, this is what we have been using on our drop shots. Let me know if you need to pick any up. Just let me know. All right, y'all, quick update on how we're fishing and what we're catching. I threw a crankbait for a little bit, didn't catch much. So now I'm going back to drop shots. We're just gonna fish along here, see if we can't catch anything. So we'll see. All right, y'all, so far all we've caught the fish on have been the drop shots. So let me just show you a little more specifically what it looks like. So I just got a small little octopus hook in a little trailer, tie that in the middle, and then I have like a leader to weight. It's a super simple setup, and right now it's catching fish. It's a little bit slower, it's a little bit more finesse, but it catches fish when other things like crankbaits, swim baits would probably work right now, but things like, crankbaits, top water, whatever you like to use, when things are starting to slow down, try throwing a drop shot, and bass love them. So try throwing one of these. Drop shot. Telling you that, guys, that's how you get fish when they're stubborn.
Stubborn son.
You good?
Easy release.
Telling y'all, drop shot is the way to go. Another little bass, but fish is a fish. It's pretty slow out here, so it's like I'd rather catch little fish than nothing. So another little bass, just caught him.
I thought I felt that something moving. They choke.
All right. Alrighty, y'all. Got a 10th bass on the drop shot today. Again, they're not massive, but hey, fish is a fish. All right, y'all, that is going to be the end of the video. We caught some fish. Not, you know, a crazy amount of fish, but we still caught some fish. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a good one.